whether it be at the office, school, in your dorm, bedroom, in the man cave, or even your car. Rest assured, you will be the envy of all your friends and family, all while enjoying your perfectly chilled beverages. The Frigidaire 12 can Retro Mini Personal Beverage Refrigerator is a cool and fun way to keep your favorite beverages and snacks cold. The retro design will look great with any decor, whether contemporary or traditional. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Large capacity. Hold up to 12 beverage cans, perfect for storing lunches, drinks, beers, and baby bottles. Easy to clean and fully insulated. Number 2. Stylish. Features a beautiful transparent glass front door that adds an elegant design and practical function to your home. Works with any decor from ultra-modern to traditional. It does not scratch your furniture. Number 3. Compact and spacious. 10 by 7 by 10.5 inches offers plenty of space to hold up to 12 beverage cans divided by 9 liters. Its space-saving, flat-back design allows you to put this refrigerator anywhere in your home, office, dorm, or office space. Number 4. Portable. Easy to clean, fully insulated. Heavy-duty locking latch and door hinge with a carrying handle. Great for all environments with plenty of room for your snacks and beverages. Number 5. Energy saving. Powered by 110 volts AC wall output, plugs into 12-volt car adapter. Both cords are included. Number 6. Adjustable thermostat control. Thermostat can be controlled manually with the control dial from cool to cold to coldest. You can turn the knob to set the temperature you want, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does the refrigerator have a reset button? Answer. There is no reset button, simply unplug the unit to reset it. Question number 2. Is this cool enough to keep insulin stored? Answer. This unit comes with a thermoelectric cooling unit. It cools to a fixed 20-25-degree range below ambient temperature. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.